that we will simply call one function. So let's say if I want x axis, x grid and y grid in the function, I can type grid on. So it will, it will enable both the vertical and the horizontal grid in the, in the graph, in the figure, in the figure window. After that, I will provide y label here first of all. So y label in bracket temperature, let's say a single quote, or else we can write temperature in bracket uh, the CIRF, sorry, the CIRC, the function capital F for if you want a degree Fahrenheit. Yeah? So this is how you can write a degree Fahrenheit and in MATLAB to provide this kind of label, and the complete bracket here. We can provide Y label and legend and bracket in single quote. You first write the legend is average high, then again in single quote average low, your curly bracket complete, comma location, and the location I'm using right now. Last time we have used southwest, right? Now I'll use northwest. Enter. So this particular command, y label temperature, will give you this, and then this in bracket. When you write this kind of syntax, it writes, so it gives you a degree of Fahrenheit, and then your uh, average high temperature, average low temperature, the legend which you have provided. Yeah. Now we will specify the x-axis tick label by setting the x tick and x tick label properties, because if you use the x label function, it will goes for the entire x label, but we have to use different tick because we have multiple bars in in this particular graph. So we will use the xtick and xtick label property to specify the x-axis tick labels. So for that we can use. So again we have to call that because the xtick and xtick label properties are available with the property inspector. We'll have to call that GCA. So GCA semicolon. Then we'll call x comma, yeah, tick, a simple tick we want. So x comma tick we'll have to use to x tick, because we are providing it to x tick, right? Not to y tick. So x tick is equal to, we have total 5 tick, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, a semicolon, then x dot. We have this x tick labels is equal to Chan Feb, like month wise temperature maybe. Yeah. So March, April, and May. A single colon. And now I'll also provide the extreme level rotation. There should be like a 45-degree, rotate. So x dot, I have this property here, yeah, and that I'll just provide a 45. And after that, this is the visualization. See how beautifully uh, we have created a bar chart. We have two bar chart overlay, and we have given x-axis, we have given x label. So this is called x tick label. So we have different tick, right? And then we have so we have given y label, and similarly, if you want, you can also provide the title as well. So that is how we can use we can use MATLAB for data visualizations. We can set a property inspector. We can use property inspector to provide to make it more beautiful. So we have properties for font. We font, then X label, Y label, title. We have properties for X tick, Y tick, and so on. So now let's understand, like, we have seen that by using hold on function you can add more than one waveform in the existing figure window, right? By using hold on function. But let's say I want to split down my existing figure windows into a m by n array. So this is my one figure window, right? I want to split it down into into multiple